For us as a ministry is to point you to opportunities, to point you to possibilities, and then you do your thing. That is what we are supposed to do. And if we work together, this country will become a country of unlimited possibilities. We must never underestimate the potential of Namibians. We can become the symbol of intra-African trade.
The whole initiative regarding the African Continental Free Trade Strategy, comprising as out of 54 signatories, as we've heard earlier this morning, needs to be applauded and supported to ensure the free movement of product and services across the continent. More than ever in the past, Africa needs to take charge of its own destination, as we've said, and I fully agree with that. And in the process to eradicate the poverty through trade. The economic benefits is important for us in terms of job creation and making sure that we trade freely with each another. In addition, we will assist small enterprises and medium enterprises through the initiatives.